Right, I'm an idiot. Delay. I have to turn home. I left shit. I left the goods. I brought the dress and I did not bring the foil. I am returning home. I am an idiot. I literally got my bag, bro. And I was literally like, oh, do you know what it is, yeah? Because they're so delicate, I was like, I have to leave them till the last thing. And I yes, but it's okay. Right, 15-minute delay.
Hi guys, so I thought I'd bring you along with me to go shooting. So I haven't shot in almost a year with Mark. The last time was August, and that was in the park, so I definitely haven't shot in the studio for definitely like pre-COVID. Oh my gosh, that is so wild to think that it's been so long. So yeah, I'm running late as always, but I thought I'd do a mini vlog so you can come and shoot with me and see what I do a day in the life of Rhi sometimes, because you know, sometimes I don't really want to do shit. So makeup looking cute. I got the foil goods in the back. You don't know what I've got ready, and me and Mark, we've got a masterpiece coming with that, so I'll catch you on the flip side. CnC interrupts this mini vlog to announce that this video contains flash and strobe photography throughout. Please do not watch if you are photosensitive. Please stand by.
Thank you.
Oh my god, it looks so good in here. Oh my gosh. Yeah. No, it does. You look so well as well. Oh my gosh. Yeah.
Give me something I can trust to, boys. Put your drawers in the sky, flying like a flag on the 4th of July.
It's you. That's what we're doing. It's the poses. Oi. Yes. Feeling it. Okay. Yep.
You can't do this one, but then.
Oh my god, let me try. I might be able to, you know. I might be able to. Let's see. Let's see if the highness will allow me.
Oh! Perfect. Yeah, leg towards me. Something always pointing towards me. I love you.
I love you too. So the first part of our shoot began with a simple nude mesh dress from Pretty Little Thing, and here we're basically testing and playing with the angles, space and bar to see what kind of shots we can recreate for the next part with the foil. Mark is always amazing to shoot with, super professional, and always makes me feel 110% comfortable, which is so fundamental when shooting alone as a sole female, and especially alone. It's always great to build a rapport, but make sure it's with the right people. Both Mark and Tanya's links are in the description. Are you hearing this?
Just says it as it is.
I'm recording you.
Yeah.
How about that? I'm recording you.
Yeah.
Can you be in my video? Can I post
the
it?
Sagittarian snake tells you what it is.
And then does it. And
then does it.
Yeah, I don't ask no
But
questions.
you done forgot about the been
I asked
done
no
already,
questions.
been told.
Look, Tanya,
and then you look back and go, what's going on?
Tanya said she was
Done
like,
today already.
you've got your video out, innit? And I was like, yeah. She opened the door like that, and I was like, I'm glad Tan knows. So Mark needs to know.
Sagittarius snake.
Sagittarius gang.
Now for the best part, the foil backdrop. I'm sorry that this footage is out of focus, but I actually kind of like the aesthetic. I think it looks really cool, so I left it in. Hope you enjoy.
Cause I get too aggressive. Still you can pay the price, yeah. Yeah, I'm got a pussy, but I ain't no pussy. Tryna be a
Which way round we is? You know your son, yeah?
I'm not even sure, you know. I think I was, yeah, late, like.
That's my favorite face position shot combo. Yeah. Once we fluked it one time when we was doing light painting.
Yeah.
Nah, I would have. That looks like you're dead. Should have got the furry rug.
No, for next time. Boy. Sorry.
Told you.
Sorry.
Told ya.
Sorry.
Told ya.
That me, yeah? Is that me? Okay. Yeah. No, because you know what, in my head, yeah, when you were taking these, I know how I was posing in it. In my head, I was like, right, do this. Even my hands, I was like, yeah, cool. So to actually see them like come out nicely, I'm like, yes, complete. Repeat, complete and repeat.
This song as well, just for these pictures. Just
oh my gosh, I didn't even realise. You see, ice, ice, ice.
With the